Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into how you can turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Whether you need to install software that Defender blocks or you're setting up another security solution, we've got you covered. But remember, turning off your antivirus leaves your PC vulnerable. So be sure to proceed with caution and have alternative protection ready. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about temporarily disabling Windows Defender. Now, right click on your Windows bar and click on Settings. Now go to Privacy and Security, then press on Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection and under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Here, simply toggle off real-time protection. Remember, this is only temporary. Windows will turn Defender back on automatically. Easy, right? But what if you need a more permanent solution? Let's discuss how to permanently disable Windows Defender. Now on to the second option. Right click on Windows bar and click on Run. Then type REZEDIT and press enter. Then click on Yes. Then navigate to HKey local machine. Click on More. Then tap on Software. Then tap on Policies. Then tap on Microsoft. Then on Windows Defender. If you don't see a key named Disable Anti-Spyware, right click in the white space, select New, then tap on DWORD 32-bit value and name it Disable Anti-Spyware. Double click it and set the value to 1 and click on OK. And there you have it. Just a couple of steps and you've successfully disabled Windows Defender. But remember, it's crucial to have another antivirus or security solution in place to keep your PC safe. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.